Hello. Now what?
¿A qué distancia nos encontramos?
A algunas horas. No llegaremos antes de anochecer.
¿Dónde encontraremos abrigo?
Sorry?
¿Dormir? ¿Dónde pasaremos la noche?
Continuaremos mientras. Excuse me. Tell her we will continue as long as possible. Then we will find an inn.
Hem de continuar fins que trobem un hostal. I si no en trobem cap? My lady wonders what will happen if we do not find an inn. Aquest lloc s'assembla a Galícia, però pitjor.
Evening. Having powder for a lady and gentleman.
Stop. Ves, que de ves?
You don't mind if us carries on? Handsome weather for ducks.
Què diu? Fa un temps perfecte pels ànecs.
Pregunta-li què fa.
My lady inquires what it is you are making.
Saffron buns.
Fa panets de safrà.
Safrà? Aquí?
This is with saffron.
Man diesmal kuffen drogas pobus.
Below rag papuni and gyric harris perdium. A pa fo fwydweth is clepperig and is you fel safel darkles passion a lane and 10.
What is she saying?
Oh, 'tis the old language.
Pregunta-li d'on el treu.
No parla anglès. My lady would like to know how you come by this saffron.
Us don't come by it, my dear. Us do growing in the sweat of her brow.
Ells el cultiven.
No és possible.
Es possible. And our lothas venture gwellas and praise.
Pavol de wethus contravas ni, when saffron toes dirtahe, and len, ven mar vinac and dor, radritha ni saffron, header meal.
Aquesta planta és originària del meu país, de les càlides planes de València.
This is a native of our country, from the hot plains of Valencia.
Higar nusatum, growth wake, dor rich hamatidno liggy.
'Tis happy here.
Obtindràs una collita més bona si la regues amb una mica de lluna.
She says you will have a better crop if you water it with a little of the moon.
Na bench of a head say, ragliwa to sit no divas, I forgot a revel, na ped, a for you panzidic.
The drying of them used to be a problem in wet years, until we learned to run a bladder like this one and wear 'em next to the skin until he be crisp.
Encara em sobta de trobar safrà en aquest racó del món.
My lady is surprised to find saffron growing in such a remote corner of the world.
Remote? That depends on where you're looking from. My grandfather had them from a traveller from somewhere remote. Araby, I think it was. Stayed here same as you.
Un viatger d'Aràbia que va arribar fins aquí de la mateixa manera que nosaltres li en va donar el seu besavi.
A rigtree gonza in rethen.
He brought with him a single root.
Només em portava una arrel.
Ricky Tullim last mark and viaje bonus.
Which he carried into this realm at the venture of his life.
La va portar fins aquí arriscant la seva vida.
More paved is makers, Treslane, Romer Ricky Doors. Mar you press and lush and Eva Garza burns.
For if he had been discovered, so great is the value of this plant that according to the law of the country from which he came, he had been put to death.
Què?
Perquè en el seu país aquesta planta tenia un valor tan gran que segons les seves lleis, si l'haguessin descobert, l'haurien condemnat a mort.
Ricky Thorne Key says in Random Budget, Cotrahes Mares, Gwellan alone.
He carried it in a special compartment, hollowed out in the handle of his staff.
La portava amagada en un compartiment que havia fet foradant el mànec del seu bastó. Gràcies. Thank you.
Grass.
Thank you.
La millor salsa del món és la gana.
An excellent bun to restore mirth, as Cook would say. Our cook was wont to produce a similar confection in the nursery as a treat on special days.
Què diu?
Goga thrys y bobys nibbytha'n cef. Rhaid thi, yn mythrinfa, o'r dithio o'r bedneg.
Avui és una d'aquestes ocasions.
You better, Johnner and Palmer.
What did she say?
Today is such a day.
I such a day.
Indeed it is. To special days.
Pels dies especials.
No.
The storm's not letting up. We may be here for some time.
Ready?